first thing you do is you want to lift a little weight off of the tires. And with the old ones, when you did that, you were physically taking two pins out.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Now here you've got a latch, and I'm trying to see what it must open up this cradle here.
Yeah. So are those, I guess they're supposed to be what, flat things so they don't leak?
I have no idea, I haven't seen them yet.
Yeah, supposedly no leaking, they're both flat faced.
Well, that was too easy.
Alright, and then I guess, are you supposed to hook this back into itself? That was the other question.
That's the way you do it on the old one. And I don't think, as with the old one, I don't think there's only but one way you can do it.
See, that was what was confusing me with the caps, because what's the cap for if you do or don't? You see what I mean?
Well, this is sitting on its own,
Okay.
so, and this,
That go back.
you're going to plug back into this.
And then that what recirculates the
oil.
Okay.
Back away. You're done.
Alright, are these color coded between what goes where?
Doesn't have to be because they only go one way, I think.
Oh, they are male and female, so that the female. Okay,
they are
so
color coded.
Okay.
But you know you have to hook this. This has to come into here because you have to power this somehow. So your power is coming from the.
And so these two then go to the top. This goes to the bottom.
Yeah, I think
two.
it only can go about one way. But you pull ahead and you're out. Now, you and I talked about the 3-point arms.
Yeah.
And the 3-point arms simply are going to attach down here someplace. I think you've got holes here where a pin goes through. Your top link is going to go through here.
Okay.
And it's pretty simple too.
So this should be sitting like this one here on the.
That's the way your backhoe sits when it's off.
Okay.
I mean that's typically how it's going to sit when you're storing your backhoe.
Okay. All right.
It's going to sit on those three pillars there, 3 pods.
All right. That seems fairly simple enough. So let me see if I can hook it all back up and go from there.